Hello everybody, we're looking at question 5 on our quiz here, unit 4, quiz 1. It says if y equals 2x minus 8, what is the minimum value? So circle minimum here. An alarm should go off in your head when you see this here. Minimum implies we're going to take the derivative and set it equal to 0. Alright, and then it says, what is the minimum value? Notice over here, it didn't say x value, it said minimum value of the product of x, y. So in this case, we don't want to find the x value, we want to find the y value, because it's the minimum value. Minimum is like a height, okay? And so the height we normally associate with a y value. So we're going to first find the x value, and then we're going to plug it back into the original to find the y. And it says we want to find the min of the product of x times y. So we want to find the min of xy, where we know y is equal to 2x minus 8. So this basically means min means derivative, so I'm going to take the derivative with respect to x of xy. Now you might be looking at this and it seems kind of strange, right? How are you going to take the derivative of this? Well, if we remember, y is just 2x minus 8, so you just substitute this in for y here. So you get the derivative with respect to x of x times 2x minus 8. Now, I saw on a lot of your papers here, what you did is use the product rule. That's fine, but it's also a waste of time because you could have just distributed and used the power rule instead. So you get the derivative of 2x squared minus 8x. And then you take this derivative and we're going to set it equal to 0. Forgot that part, remember? Set it equal to 0. Okay? And this gives me 4x minus 8 is 0. And now we're going to solve this. So 4x equals 8 if I add 8 to both sides. So x is clearly just 4. So I just want to make a note here. I made this mistake earlier, and it's my fault for not showing you all earlier. Here, one of the answer, or actually the answer choice of 4 isn't even here, is it? So the question becomes, how are you supposed to find this, how are we supposed to find this, this other, oh, here we go. I know why I made a mistake. Because I'm stupid, that's why. Here we go. I bet you're looking at the video like, what the hell's wrong with you, Roseville? Yes, this is true. 8 over 4 is 2. There we go. So now, back to reality. Now that we have the correct, wrong, right answer, right? This is the x value. We have found the x value. X value is left to right. I want the min. The min is a y value. Okay, so here they tried to fool you, or I did. See, I circled 2 initially too, but that's just the x value. So to find the y value, you would need to plug it back into where? Into this here, which is this, which is this, which is this guy. So I'm going to plug x equals 2 into 2x squared minus 8x to find the minimum. To find the min, right? So notice, we found the extreme, the x coordinate of the extreme value, but we actually want to find the y value, the actual height. So we're going to plug it in. So we're going to get 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2. And this gives us here, this is going to be 2 times 4 minus 16. 8 minus 16, which is negative 8. And then, so what this basically tells us then is that our real answer is going to be over here, negative 8. This is going to be the actual real height, the real minimum. This was the x value, but this is the minimum value here versus the x value. So it's a little discrepancy between the two. We'll have to make sure to be more clear in the future, or I will anyways, with these types of problems.